are children, but beyond what you see.
What is the meaning of this? Okay. What happened? You hit me with a stick.
No, I will stop. Why?
How could I hit you? You hit me with this stick, and you are denying. Is he not the only person with a stick here? Guy, I don't hit you. How could I hit you? You didn't hit me. I don't hit you. You didn't hit me. I don't hit you. You didn't hit me. I don't hit you. And you are denying. You want me to kill you? You want me to kill you?
That was not.
It's okay now.
Okay. I don't hit you. I was even surprised. Okay, back away. Back away. It's okay now. It's okay. I'm even surprised. I hit you. It's okay. It's okay. Leave him. Leave him. This guy,
imagine. That's why I'm always ashamed in this village. Seeing youths fighting like little children. What is wrong with you people?
leave him now.
See, we're coming back from Mazofoka's place. And when we got to this place, he hit me with this stick. And when I asked, he denied. See that he's the only person with a stick here. Who else did it if not him?
Nah. All of us, they go our way. All of a sudden, just turn back and say I hit her with stick. I don't hit you. I don't hit her. I hit her. I don't hit you.
They are children, but beyond what you see. Two heads, double wahala. They are children, but beyond what you see. They boom waging. They are children, but beyond what you see. The more you look, the less you see. Two heads.
What is it? Those twins, they are acting strange these days. Hey! My dear, I've noticed that myself. But I really can't do anything now until I talk to my brother.
Have you tried calling him at all?
Yes, I've been trying. But just that network has been very bad. That's the problem.
Please keep trying. Or better still, do something about them. Umaka gara potakwa in a village. Ha gara potakwa. Hey!
Don't worry. I'll take care of that. Yeah. I'll do something about it.
We must make him money. I actually need to. Anya gaba gaba. Imakwane go jolo. Money. Hey. We want to make money. Imakwe go jolo. Money. With seriousness, I want to make money. Money. Imakwe go jolo. Ega pali como. I want to make money, money, yeah. Afama puro poverty, money, yeah. I must make him money. Oburugu nandida aye jeje.
Guy, Richard. Where do you think we are going? Huh? Are you sure you know where we are going? Huh?
If you are not sure, you better tell us.
I mean,
Please, Otito. Please, Otito. Please.
Eh? Otito again.
Otito.
Otito again. Otito again. Huh?
Look, Silas, there's one way out. Just relax. There's one way out. From my map points to that place. Huh? And I believe my destiny lies within there too.
Wow. My own destiny too lies there.
My destiny lies within there.
My destiny is before your destiny now.
No, your destiny is close to my own destiny.
But my destiny is destinier than your destiny.
Not your destiny is my destiny, and my own is destiniest.
When we go to the destination, we will know whose destiny is destinier than the other person's destiny.
You know what? When we get to the destiny roundabout, we know the person and the destiny.
We get to the destination, we know
that.
Hey! Yeah, go! Restart!
We want to make money. With seriousness, I want to make money. I want to make money.
Why the carrots they walk up? What if you want this one? If you don't know the road, you talk. What is the problem? They walk up and I want to everywhere. For what? If you don't know the road, tell us that you don't know. We can easily go back this. I'm tired. I'm even hungry. Shut up. What if you shut up? Are we not doing this thing together? Do we want this together? Shut it. Let's take it. What are you doing here? Man, I'm tired. I look like it. What's that? Yeah, you know, so we walk out this guy. Yeah, if I tell you, I forgot my mind from that back. Huh? I mean, since morning, we've been walking up and down aimlessly. Take us to the place now. What's the problem?
We're waiting. Richard, we're waiting. Why the carry person walk up and down? Since how many hours? How many days?
Nobody all of us walk us. Why do you walk us this morning? I don't walk out. Tell me all this. What's your problem? Take us there. See, take me back. Take me back. I lose
the man. Take us back. You know where I'm from? Come. Take us back.
Then we need to reach where they go. Why?
Best way to travel reach border and to cross water. You say we could go back again. I beg. Stop that nonsense. So.
Back to Sandra, my brother. The same to you.
If you don't know the place, just talk. Let me see what place.
Thank you. Thank God. Now, ask this woman. Ask him.
That's how it is. Ask him now.
She said this old woman going to know where they go. She get this right.
Madam, we're looking for Baba Shomolu's shrine.
Yes.
Baba Shomolu's shrine.
You see, I told you this woman is too big. She wouldn't have the strength to answer us. Shut up! Shut up, Silas! Even in front of the woman, they talk rubbish. What's your problem? She can't keep quiet.
Eh? She no old. Now because of the place where she dey stay, I mean can come the old.
Ask her again now. What make they go?
Madam, we're looking for Baba Shomolu's shrine.
Emi careful. Here this is it. Is it? Or emi ka unye mangobute onye besize. Is it?
No. We mean shrine.
Shrine. Not
Shomolu's shrine. Baba Shomolu's shrine.
Yes, shrine.
Not a Mikaiko.
Oh, Mongo Park.
Follow her.
Maybe they did not. Oh, they cannot be in their front. Oh, no, see, no power slap.
I beg.
Follow him too.
Don't be afraid. Because I can't harm visitors. My name is Rafat, fair daughter of the dark moon. I speak 10,000 languages, and I have been in existence for thousands of years.
Thousands of years? How come you still look so beautiful and young?
I am immortal and not human. Humans like you die, but I don't. Come with me, and I will take you to Baba Shomolu, the son of Songo, the god of thunder. You may wait here. He will be with you at night.
Hey!
Yeah?
Relax, Paul, relax. Silence.
And relax what?
We are here already. Just
I'm not seeing the girl again, so we should relax.
relax. We are here already. Just relax. Say, I'm going to say tonight.
Then where is she? Where is she?
Relax.
I'm okay. Yes, relax. I'm relaxing. Tell the gate to come out, so we know that we are relaxing.
I was calling you, and you seem to be lost in thought. Oh, give me.
Sorry, I did not hear you call me. What's the problem?
I was calling you to find out whether you have heard from your brother Silas.
I've been calling him, but his phone is still switched off.
Hi. Silas. Eh? But he could have called us at least to know whether he's all right or not. Eh?
You're right. So, where is Dikeh and Onyije?
Dikeh and Onyije? They have gone out as usual without helping anything in the house, so, eh? Without helping anything. Nai, it's time you do something about them. Why
don't you talk to them? You are the man of the house. Talk to them yourself.
Talk to them? Why should I talk to them? Am I their mother?
Go and give me water to wash my hands. Give me water to wash my hands.
Nai, please do something about their behavior. If not, I will pack all my things from this house and leave this house for you with my daughter. Yes, we are going to do it. Do something about their behavior. Okay. Masquerade. You see, it's the celebration of our New Yam Festival. Oh, please, I'm so sorry. I should have warned you earlier on, eh? I'm sorry, yeah? Oh, I'm so sorry. You go inside and eat your food, yeah? Let your daddy come back. Just eat your food, yeah? This masquerade, eh? These children, eh?
Ẹ káàbọ̀ àwọn ọmọ mi ó mọ̀ gbọ́nà yìí jíjà ìwọlẹ̀ wá débí àmọ́ mo mọ ohun tó wà yín lọ́gàn.
See, I'm free Ujoji. Silence. Huh? It is not easy to relax. He's just welcoming us from afar. That is what he's saying.
Welcome, sir.
Welcome to.
Then they was. Ẹ lè jókòó. Ó mọ ohun tó wà yín lọ́gàn. Owó yẹn tẹ́ bá wá ẹ rí gbogbo ẹ̀. Àwọn alákùúbọ̀ ní tó bá yín ṣá.
The worst is that I do not understand a word of what he is saying. I don't understand anything.
I am here.
The way you are confused is where Silas and Paul, he said we should sit down, that he knows our desire, our heart desire. He knows that we should sit down, that whatever we bring for.
Àwọn Gẹ̀ẹ́sì pè sacrifice. Ẹ máa ṣe sacrifice o. Ẹ máa wá bí o ẹni kẹ iye Gẹ̀ẹ́sì yẹn wọ́n pè sacrifice ẹ̀ wọ́n máa ṣe bí o ní àgbẹ̀ bá kẹ́ mọ̀. Ẹ máa wá bí ọjọ́ méje 7 nights ẹ̀ bá àwọn òòjà tó yẹ ń ṣá.
He said that we're going to do some sacrifice. We'll be here for 7 nights.
Okay, you will be here for
7 nights.
3 of us now.
Hey! Why not us this thing? Now we'll sleep here.
No, what's wrong?
What is wrong?
Kéńdéré. Alẹ́ nílé jò ó gbòǹgbé wù. Kéńdéré wù. Ó bá yá ni bá mi jà tí kò kú sọ́wọ́. Kéńdéré. Ó bá yá ni bá mi jà tí kò kú káwù. Kéńdéré o. Bó ṣe wà ní ọ. Bóyá ẹ tọ́ síbi ẹ móbì. Ẹ móbì ẹ tọ́ síbi kíákíákíákíá. Ẹ tọwọ́ síbi kẹ móbì o. Ẹ móbì kíákíá kẹ sọ̀rọ̀ sí Ṣàngó. Olúwa ìgbòkò ń gbọ̀n ni. O lẹ́pọ̀n ni. Jọ̀kọ̀ ya mọ́lúwà. Olómọ́lú jàre. Iṣẹ́ ẹ ti bẹ̀rẹ̀ ni ẹ o. Ẹ ti wà ní wẹ́ẹ̀sì ni ẹ o. Ṣé mo rúkọ bẹ́ẹ̀? Ẹ ti bẹ̀rẹ̀ iṣẹ́ yẹn ń sìn. Iṣẹ́ yẹn ti bẹ̀rẹ̀ o. Bẹ́ẹ̀ni tẹ móbì yẹn ṣá, ó ti bẹ̀rẹ̀ o. Òrìṣà o. Àtùpà máa ikú o. Àtùpà máa ikú o. Jẹ́ kí n dá mẹ́fà kí o tó kú. Àtùpà máa ikú o. Dá mẹ́fà kí o tó kú. Àtùpà máa ikú o. Àtùpà máa ikú o. Àtùpà máa ikú o. Jẹ́ kí n dá mẹ́fà kí o tó kú. Àtùpà máa ikú o. Jẹ́ kí n dá mẹ́fà kí o tó kú. Akítù ló lè jà o. Ìjà ló lè jà o. Akítù ló lè jà o. Ìjà ló lè jà o. Ó gbé pa ó fi dá. Ìjà ló lè jà o. Ó gbé kì bí ìbọn. Ìjà ló lè jà o. Ọmọlúwàbí. Tẹ́rí àti gbé kínní tẹ́ máa fi gbówó yẹn gangan ni. Ọ̀nà yẹn tẹ́ máa fi lówó yẹn ráúráúráú bẹ́ẹ̀ ó ti dé nìyẹn. Àmọ́ ṣẹ́bí kan bẹ́ẹ̀. Oṣù méje ẹ tún padà wá bí. Kẹ wá gba ìtókùn àmọ́ ṣá màá rí tẹ́lẹ̀ lórí ṣá. Ṣé ń gbádùn mi bẹ́ẹ̀? Ṣé ń gbádùn mi? Náwó nárí síbi àkẹ́ ọmọ àkẹ́ owó kọ́ ló wá dé ní. Yọjú síbí jàre. Kọ́kọ́rọ́ owó yẹn nìyẹn o. Ọ̀gọ́rọ́ yọjú síbí wọ́. Mo lò yọjú síbí gbowó yẹn ṣá. Bó ti wà nìyẹn o. Oṣù méjì ẹ tún padà. Oṣù méjì. Ọlọ́mọ kìlọ̀ fọ́mọ rẹ o.
7 months time we experience wealth and riches. 7 months. 7 months. For what? 7 months too far now. What are you very far? What are you telling me? You've been suffering for 20 years. Silas.
7 months.
Suffering.
Yes, sir. 7 months.
Ṣó yé yín?
Ṣó
yé yín?
Ó yé wa bàbá.
Kó yé yín.
Ó yé gidi. Ó yé.
Ó yẹ kó yé yín.
Ó yé yín. You understand? We understand.
Okay, yes, sir. Ó yé yín, sir. Ó yé yín.
Ẹ máa lọ dá. Ọlọ́mọ kìlọ̀ fọ́mọ rẹ o. Èmi àrò. Ọlọ́mọ kìlọ̀ fọ́mọ rẹ o. Èmi àrò. Ọlọ́mọ kìlọ̀ fọ́mọ rẹ o.
With seriousness, I want to make money.
Finally,
we must make money.
So from here to go now, we'll begin preparing to spend the money.
Make money, spend them.
But the way it is now, yes, it's. I'm telling you, like which heat? Salas. Like this, just watch front. You will see the rain. Rain for many days. That is why.
Tom, what is going on here? I want to swim. Which one is it?
Huh? I want to swim. Rain for mood. I want to swim. What's that?
Salas, make we dey go. Rain dey fall.
What is going on?
I want to swim. I said I want to swim.
Huh?
There's no water here now.
I want to swim. Just leave me.
I am not going. I want to go back. Hey. It's raining. Can't you see rain there? Huh?
I can see rainbow.
Huh?
Rainbow.
Salas. Huh? You are getting mad.
Who is getting mad? Me? Are you serious? I'm going to a party. A party.
Yeah.
I want to go. Huh?
You are getting mad.
Shut up.
Hey!
Salas, you are getting mad.
Me? Mad?
Yeah, getting mad.
See, listen, because the way it is now, I don't know. It's like every day.
I will
every day like that.
See, block the penalty. Yeah, let me play the free kick. Stay.
Let me.
Stay.
It's calling you. Who? It's calling you. It's calling you.
You know what?
It's calling you.
I will. What will we do now?
See, I don't want to go late.
Where we go?
I don't want to go late.
We'll do this.
I don't want to go late.
I will.
You see, huh? Just get fee.
Get fee for
forget to.
For what?
I know. Get fee.
Get fee.
He's calling me now.
For the swimming pool.
He's calling me.
He's calling you.
He's calling me.
He's not calling you.
He's calling me now.
He's calling us.
Take your.
No, I need machines. I don't need goats.
But we are late. We are late. We are very late.
To the club. To the club.
Let's go now.
Who's calling you? Wait. You have the call.
Yeah?
You have the call.
Call.
Yes.
Call. Hello. Yes. Hello.
Obama. Obama is calling. Obama is calling. Obama.
With seriousness, I want to make money. We must make money. We want to make money. With seriousness, I want to make money. I want to make money, money, Afama Buro poverty, money, I must make money, Oburugu Nandida, I want to make money. Imakwane goji olu. We must make money. Money. I actually go. Money. Anya jebe. Anya gaba. Money. Imakwane go jolo. Money. Hey. We want to make money. Money. Imakwe go jolo. Money. With serious honest.
Walai. We must not let go of those people. Babu, we're going to fight them. Mama said they are doing New Yam Festival. How is this year New Yam there? How is that my business? Whether they are eating New Yam or Odia. That one does not concern me. But what do we do now? I'm thinking of something. Thinking about what? Yowa. Mutofi, let's go. Mama said the celebration will continue today. That's again Mutofi. Muje.
The more you look, the less you see.
Are you ready? To move forward.
Conclude like that now. Let us go and meet the chief priest so that they will explain to us what happened here.
It's painful.
Let's go now. Let's go.
We need to do something after this.
Let's go.
Double wahala. They are children, but beyond what you see. Two heads. Double wahala. They are children, but beyond what you see. They are children, but beyond what you see.
We have come, Agotrumbe. You can see that we are not happy.
At all.
People of Abaloma Kingdom struck an attack on our New Yam Festival at a time when we were displaying our new masquerade dance.
I know what you are thinking, but you are wrong. The bees that attacked you were sent by two boys.
Two boys?
Two little boys. I said 2 little boys are saved by the gods. They use that to punish you because you know what you've done. Leave. Leave. Immediately leave. When you got mobile, What is going on here? What is going on?
Say something. Nine. We are not here for you. Where are those boys in this house? Bring them now. Bring them out now, or
we are asking you what is going on. Just answer that simple question.
What have they done to you this time? What have they done? Tell me.
Nine. They have committed a sacrilege against our land. Eh? As we are celebrating the last day of our festival. Bam! Akwaya?
You people make me laugh. You make me laugh. How can you say those little boys committed sacrilege against you? Eh? Even the day you are talking about, I'm sure they were in this house.
It's all people nine. It's a bullshit.
No, so you want us now to explain to you what your boys did, right? Imagine. Eh? Imagine.
Oh, at the verse! Yes! Bring them out!
Okay. How do you explain it? You want to explain that?
Yes! 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 Bring them out!
You people should start going, you know. You better start there and just shoot them. Better start going.
Let me see if we'll come back here. Oh. Come back!
Yes.
Come back. Let's go. Come back again.
We must make
Why? This one that you remembered me today since you left the village for us. Oh yeah. Because happy I ain't Papa Neka. No. What will I be doing with his number now? Mbejupam number how? Huh? Oh what? Chineke. Okay. I will go. I will just run and go. But don't forget to collect their number because I will not go to that place again. But I will go now. Hi, Chineke Nani. Ugochi, I'm with them now. Speak to them.
Hello? Yes, it's me, Papa Neka. Yes. My brother Silas. Where? How? Yes. Ijabu what? Ijabu? Okay. Okay, thank you, my daughter. Thank you very much.
Nai, what did she say that has turned your face like this?
That my brother Silas is running mad in the city. Hey, his friends included.
Hey! Silas! Now we are. Mbano. Hey! Chineke. Silas! How?
Two heads, double wahala. They are children, but beyond what you see.
Hey, stop there! Hey. Stop there! Where did you think you are going? Finally, we have got you. Nowhere to hide!
Leave them alone! We're going to buy something for our mother!
Shut up your mouth! Hey, you! Pick them up!
Pick them up for our mother! No!
Let's go! Let's go!
What is it?
Papa, the youth have taken Onyeje and Dikeh away.
You Dikeh and Onyeje?
Yes, Papa.
In this community?
Yes, Papa.
Huh?
Yes, Papa.
Wait, I'm coming.
Papa. Onyeka.
Right there! Move! Come on, move! Stop. Now put them down for their punishment.
Mom.
Put them down now.
I can't stop.
He's glued to my body. I'm trying.
He's glued to my body.
Hey, no, listen. Stop that joke, Joe. You better get down from there. Hey. Chineke, what is going on here? Stop. My friend, get down, bro.
Will you beat us for those time? Before heads will roll. Put them down.
They are stuck.
You can't bring them down.
They are just stuck there. Can't you see they are
I
just
said
stuck
put them
there?
down. Now, Idika, Onyeje, get down, let's go.
I didn't carry myself up here.
We beg you in the name of God, please.
Both of you should come down.
Me, I didn't put myself here. They were the one that carried me up.
Put them down. I said put them down.
I need roasted chicken with mineral.
Roasted what?
Me too, I need roasted chicken with mineral.
Chicken.
With two washing coffee. With Furadeni.
Please now, please.
Chicken.
Okay, you know why? Okay, let me go and get it. Let me go and get it. Please, I'm coming. Just go. Run, eh? Fast!
Yeah? No. Do you mean these boys are really stuck here?
Stuck here?
Yes. Wonder shall never end in this village.
No, so I see them. That's why.
want to eat.
That is if you come down first.
Please now. Both of you come down now.
What is the word in Gavin? Stop.
I am Akwaturumbe. I command the both of you to come down now, else you see the powers of Ogu.
That's the your more.
I said come down. Come down.
Want to chop chicken? Come down, bro, back. You want me to come down?
Yes, please. Please, Biko.
I want you to come down. I have to bring 5,000.
5,000.
Because the earlier the better.
Yes, it's complete. Please, this is the 5,000 naira. Please.
My pocket.
Your pocket.
Hurry up now, hurry.
It's there.
I'll bring my own.
Eh? 5,000 what? No, that one again. Oh. This is it.
You want us to come down?
Yes, please. We are begging, please.
Make us go down. Smile. Is there?
He's there. Come.
Hey.
Fine, man.
What
They are children, but beyond what you see.
Baby, you got my house and come gaji. Obulu godi na mamu no so oge kwelili. Oju godi mu we kwachiri. You gotta go. Okay, je. Shocky. Eh? Shocky. Shocky.
With seriousness, I want to make money.
Hey yo.
Shocky. We must make him money.
Shocky.
We want to make money.
Here. Are you still here? No. Bad market. I want to go to the rental room to grab my love. Yeah? Are you still here? There's no market. I'm going to the junction. I need that junction. You need that?
I need the junction. Yeah, come now.
Yes, you they see here. People they see here. I saw them yesterday. They were sitting here. They were here. So let's check it out. Yes. This way. Yes.
My Lord. Ja! Fire! An evil spirit has taken over his soul.
Yes, we know that. And that's why we brought him there for you to help us. Please help us.
Jehovah Emmanuel! Ja! Elijah, sign, my Lord, sign, my Lord. Some items will be needed for his cleansing. 2 white pigeons and 20,000 naira. Once you get it, he will be well.
Is that all?
Jehovah. That will be all for now.
I'll come back. Mama Paul, since Paul traveled, no one has ever heard from him.
Nine. That has always bothered me.
You say he did not travel alone. Who else went with him?
He only said he will go with his friend, Silas, and another person. I can't remember his name.
Hey! This is serious. Very serious.
Jehovah! Emmanuel! Emmanuel! Jehovah! Ajulamia! Adequam shaw, Magia! Ajulamia, bam bam bam! Ajulamia! Ajulamia! Adequam shaw, Magia! Ajulamia, bam bam bam! Cigarette, Ajulam! Go! Out! Ajulamgi! Adequam shaw, Magia! Ajulamia, bam bam bam! Ichumanya ajulamgi adequam shaw majuya ajulamnya out ajulamnya adequam shaw majuya ajulamnya out Jehovah Emmanuel out Ajulamgi. Adequam shaw, Madria. Jehovah, sign my Lord. Sign my Lord. Sign my Lord. Ikadi no barachuku, ikadi no baraya. Ikadi no baraya. Chupanaga. Your brother is being possessed by strong spirits. Not just a spirit, but legion of spirits. And casting them away has proved so difficult.
Woman of God, what do we now do?
I suggest you take him home. He nearly ran away yesterday. But I will be coming to the house to administer to him. Wait! Jehovah! Holy! Take him home!
You have nothing to worry about. I assure you we are the best psychiatric hospital in this town. Yes. Please. I'm so happy now. Do something about it. Because this is becoming so worrisome. You have nothing to worry about. You don't have to worry away. You'll be fine. You'll be very fine. Please, take very good care of it, okay? Okay, I'll come back. Thank you very much. You're welcome.
Mama Ned, my son told us that he traveled with Silas. Have you heard anything from him?
Silas. The last time we heard of him is that he has come out.
What?
You see, my husband has already traveled to the city, at least to see things for himself. He's still there with them.
Hey! Did you say anything about my son, Paul?
No, we have not talked. In fact, I'm even trying to see if I can reach them on the phone.
How? Me and my family are worried over our son. Please inform us if you hear from your husband.
No, so I will do just that, so.
Hey! Hey! So let me be going, eh? Stay well, eh? Let me start going.
Help me and greet your wife, oh?
Okay, okay.
Can you help me?
Thank you. Oh!
Kilo paya jem ìbéèrè, kilo paya jem ìbéèrè, ó jẹun kò sanwó ìbéèrè, ó jẹun kò sanwó ìbéèrè, ó kàn yàgbẹ́ kò nùtì ìbéèrè, ó kàn yàgbẹ́ kò nùtì. Kilo paya jem ìbéèrè, kilo paya jem ìbéèrè, ó jẹun kò sanwó, ó yàgbẹ́ kò nùtì. Kilo paya jem ìbéèrè, paya jem.
I want to make money. Imakwane go jiolo. Money. We must make him money. Money. I actually ego. Money. Anya jebe. Anya gaba.
Richard, mo tẹ ṣe mo ya wèrè.
Hey, what? What is going on here? Right, good boy. Yeah.
My friend?
My friend? Who?
Lie on your bed, lie on your bed.
For what? What brought me here?
My friend, bring the injection.
For what? See, I really need to go home. I need to go and freshen up. Who brought me here, by the way? No, you don't try that. See. Whoever brought his hand. Roll what? Guys, don't try. What's going on here? What happened? Huh? No. See, you don't try it. What's wrong with me? Who is you? Hold his hand. Guys, hold him well. Guys, relax. Hi.
Hello. Paul.
Hey! Richard. Ojo.
Follow. Nah, far they must go 20 miles from here. Follow.
Go easy, Rara. Richard. You know, say like this, I no fit understand, I no fit explain what happened. Say I did like this, Pia, I open eye, can't see myself with my man people. That one no be even be my preferred. The one will make me vex. Say I look myself finish, dirty everywhere. I look myself, I don't say yes. I don't mad like this. I'm a madman. Hey. Alpha, Silas.
You see, Silas' issue now. I never see Silas. But one thing is that, guy, it's not easy to make money. It's not easy. Okay. I don't even know if Silas really scaled through this madness.
Brother,
honestly,
money to make money, even arm robber we carry gun, enter bank.
It's no easy.
Even our politicians when they take money.
It's no easy.
Even the mad one mad self.
You know easy. We mad, not only you mad.
We mad. You
know, two of us mad now.
So you never see Silas since then?
Rekrutu Rabuta Sasaliba. If I am called by you, I command you, you foul spirit. I command you, you evil spirit. I command you to bow. I command you to subdue in the name of Jesus. Bow in the name of Jesus. Every spirit of invocation, every manipulation of the enemy, die in the name of Jesus Christ. Ibrakataya Shatayaba. Ibrokotoyaba Santayaba Kamane. Ibrababa Santayaba Kuraba. Hey, Ibrokotaya Santayaba. Rekrutu Rabuta Sasaliba. If I am called by you, Father, if I am called by you, I command every manipulation of the enemy in their life. I command you to scatter. You foul spirits manipulating in their lives. I command you, get out in the name of Jesus. Get out in the name of Jesus Christ. I command you to bow in the name of Jesus. I lose you. I lose you in the name of Jesus Christ. Receive your healing. Receive your healing. I command you to die. I command you to die. I command you to die in the name of Jesus.
Yeah, hello. Baba. 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 Excuse me. What is happening here? Where is Baba?
Answer my brother. Where is Baba? Yes. Where is Baba? Where is Baba?
Gogo, are you deaf and dumb? Answer this question now.
So let me tell you, we are not joking. 7 months madness for street, everything, chop shit, do everything, come on. Nobody say we go come here, they ask you where is Papa. You're going to do first like this, okay, we will not say you the first, say we will not find you, we will not go find you. We will find you something. Yes, but that's why we won't collect the money.
Baba Shomolo, the son of the dark, has gone to be with his ancestors.
With ancestors, he give you money, he give us ancestors. Maybe if you say I'm maternal. See what you they talk now? Say, we don't come. You know, say you know us now. We come. Say we go mad. We don't mad. 7 months. Come back. Thank Jesus. Sorry. Thank. When I say will not happen. So we come make we. Baba give you money now before you go meet. You go see ancestors. Say make you give us. Where's the money?
Baba is dead.
Shut up.
Baba is waiting. You the mad?
If you know where Baba they call it, even if you say no, make him bring them money. You go chop. But I be alive.
You're correct.
So tell him, or you call her for phone, flash him, or even send an SMS. Say make him call you. First, when I know the guy has it. Which guy Baba go die like that? The native doctor, where people they don't come meet, they can't die.
Baba is dead. Hey! Come on. Give me chance. Now make I warn you for the last time. You think that you go use 3 of us play? Baba is dead. You want to see? How can a native doctor die? It don't happen before. Say a native doctor die. You know the do to you.
Come. You know what's going to happen? If not joke, you won't joke with us. No. If I talk, make you smile your face. No, you are not even trying. You know what I mean? For 7 months, say we'll go mad, do everything, come back. Say Papa don't die. If Papa don't die, you don't give him money. I don't say you go stress you to give us the money. Tell us we had the money, we move go because that is the way. Hey. In the name of Jesus, sorry. In the name of in the name of what you believe. If I verse like this now. 7 months madness, everything. You know, say, Baba going to be okay. I talk. They do me breathing. They wait for me. Go wait. Native doctor, want to pause. Salas. Come and finish this boy. Slap him. I don't want to make that from my hand because I don't want to make this one die. Quit getting
that. They talk to you. You don't hear they do. You dey Chris. You the mad?
And I'm talking to do breathing and
for you to know how difficult it is for us to run mad, stand up. Silence. Make you not say some things are not possible. Stand up and talk to me. No, let me finish. This question. Where is Baba? Even if Baba travel, he no give you money where we work for, make you keep her for me carry him.
Baba is dead.
Baba is waiting. And you want me to believe you? Is it possible for a native doctor to die? No, no, this guy, Dikun. Huh?
I drew. My head is scattering. Just wait. Eshukekere, you won't suck in Joe, Shanua, where is Baba? After all the pains and sufferings, humiliations, Masokini Mo, where is Baba? Silas, you two that talk too much. Make we carry this guy put for pocket. I'm on here by the time we carry a couple things and say, okay, would they talk? Would they do us? Abi, you say we don't say Abi do am. You want because I don't want cross here.
Finally, Baba do it.
Okay.
Baba. He said Baba do it.
Baba
fell sick. Immediately you people left. And you want me to be
go!
Come on, shut up. Baba, go.
Silas,
wait. Come. I don't believe you at all. See, listen, bro. If you know where Baba keep the money, we walk.
Tell us, we'll give you 1,000 naira. I'll give you 1,000. Give you 1,000. I'll give you the I said, go.
Go bring the money out.
Go! You're not going to do anything. Yeah? Go!
If we don't go now, if we say we are not going, what happens? No, what will happen? No, if we don't leave here now, what happens?
Come, leave here now. Or the madness will come back to you. No!
Salah, wait.
Why you go run for this one?
If you kill your guy, why not bring our money? We don't say ritual money with the chop.
Hey, Richard.
You know the kind of man who am I?
Wait, bro. We are coming back.
See, I don't say they fear you. Not say they fear you. We just want make you say we come out, say we respect junior apprentice of native doctor. But really, I don't like Bachara. This, but Baba long one. Chimney for Kabago, native doctor Kagamano, Manika, Manelli, Mega. Baby, Bachara, Kagan.
Wait, bro. You have me to contend with. Watch out and see. Nas.
Shaggy, Baba, say a waka.
Madness something. That is more boy they cry. Your friend for small boy.
You want to go for this small boy?
What they cry for small boy?
The man usually kept put outside. Take your paper. If I didn't usually get, the man usually get cross on that. The man usually get have a good idea. When I want to examine the hospital, all that cross on that. I'm a guachichi like, oh my God. I'm a guachichi like a piece of edges. I'm a guachichi woman. I'm a guachichi. Slippers. Come plan and hang swallow. They are on some kind of response fund. I want you to tell the boy I'm making where did the Google. The man is sick of the man Nagari.
7 months! 7 good months! No, be said 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 months!
Not be 7 days, oh! Not be 7 days!
What?
7 months! 7 months!
What did I worry you? Now, let me tell you, you are just a stupid idiot. That is what you are! Look at the title! Idiot! For what? I mean, for
Yeah, for what?
For what?
Wait. Let me just ask. What do you mean? I took you. Baba has been making people billionaires. When we went back to Baba died. And you're talking rubbish. Hey, you like Baba? You are the ones that killed Baba. With your bad luck. Hey, like Baba that killed Baba.
No, wait! One more word from you, I go come there, I go slap you.
You don't feel to do anything.
You say what?
Wait,
no! Go and sit down. Your bad luck is too much. Your bad luck is too much. You. Écoutez, hier. Écoutez, hier. You don't do anything. Silas, finish him. I'm going to finish him. Silas, you the man. Silas, finish. Finish who? Huh?
What are you guys doing? Paul and Silas. Where have you guys been?
We are on retreat. And for reinforcement. Yes, just small leave.
For 7 months.
Yes, yeah.
No, just wait. Relax first. I want to see something. Just hold on. Check with the waiting. You not have it. Leave that.
Hey! So, this is, see,
it's a lie. It's a typical lie.
You know, when you guys left, the state government realized our efforts and decided to support us.
It's a lie. It's a typical lie. See, I swear, you're a liarist.
But as I'm talking to you now, the state government is funding our operations.
Hold on. I hope nobody has taken my position. Even my own position.
Yes, in fact, I am the commander and I am in charge.
In fact,
we have a meeting with the state government. So I will meet you guys later.
Thank you, my brother. You the man and now you cause this. Come! You don't say that you call this thing. You don't say that you call this thing. You don't say that you call this thing. Shut up! Now you call. You don't say that you call this thing. You don't say that you call this thing.
Hey. Oh, so.
Silas! 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 Silas, it is me now, Richard.
Oh. So this is just it.
Silas! Silas!
They are my children. Richard.
You're not ready.
Ready. Ready for...
Silas, for the mission now.
Your mission.
You don't forget. Our mission now.
Oh, I am no longer interested in that.
Philosopher. Silas, I didn't call you.
I am no longer in the mood to go for any mission. So you and Paul can go there and represent me. Make as much money as you want to make, but count me out. I am not interested. Careful, Idika. Onije.
Silas.
Onije.
Idika. Silas, yeti baje. Silas.
Akadabra.
Hala.
That's how you roll.
Get out of here.
Director, don't sing.
Get out of here.
Get out of here. He knows the onion. Definitely, when I saw the script, really, I had to go through it. Very awesome script, very challenging. But this is what we do, and we've done it. And I believe the audience will have the final say. My brother, I will not lie to you. There was a scene I shot last night at a particular hotel here with one Abuki man. You know, honestly speaking, I laughed on set. My director laughed on set. My fellow actress, Sonia, she's a laughist. She laughed and laughed and laughed, and I called her a laughist. What actually transpired was that the Abuki was friends. We actually went there for, to look for children or means to get children, and he gave me 2 stones to represent my children. Then I flew off. Now I'm saying I flew real up. Then the intriguing part of it was actually when he was trying to tell me that I should hold my ear for him to, tell me something. But the way he spoke, like, hold on for my ear, draw for my ear, man. I reached out and I drew his ear.
Tina, drop on my ear. Drop on my ear, jump.
Please stop it. Don't spoil things for us. Please just stop it.
He said I should draw his ear. And I need to obey him. I don't fear this native doctor people, I beg.
Stop it. Don't spoil
we need to get
Kenaka. Baba, then Allah.
And was trying to tell me to take care of the children. Any person that tries to harm them, I should slap the person. And he went this way. Slap him for me. When I landed him a dirty slap.
I could get it up when they my yard and up in the back show. Slap her for me. Kunaji, slap.
And that's what's up. Well, interesting story. Nice cast, nice members of the crew, nice director, awesome one at that. And of course, that's how you roll. Francis Odega, Amara here.
And my name is Mr. Osita Eze, the CEO of OC Movies Industry Nigeria.
My name is Jonas Izuebu, the associate producer of
Agre Idem, we are the production assistants in this very production.
Keep the shot rolling.
We'll do you well.
OC, one love.
Remain blessed.
Keep watching our movie. I love you guys.
I'm a watching. I just try.
Slap her for me. Kunaji, slap.
Let the truth be told. Zainab, you laugh. You laugh. Zainab, you laugh. No, you laugh. Hey. You laugh. You level 2,000. You laugh.
So it's 1,000.
You laugh. If you go, you laugh. You laugh.
No, I don't.
Hey.
You understand?
Slap her for me.
Children, but beyond what you see. Two heads, double wahala. They are children, but beyond what you see. Ejima, nekumu ejima. They are children, but beyond what you see. Ejima, animulu ejima. The more you look, the less you see. Two heads, double wahala. They are children, but beyond what you see. Two heads, double wahala. They are children, but beyond what you see. Ejima, nebumo ejima. They are children, but beyond what you see. Ejima, animulu ejima. The more you look, the less you see. Ebisi feche neje faeje, okusi fekune kufae. Isi emeleme ayeme. Ebisi feche neje faeje, okusi fekune kufae.